unprecedented escalation. Houthi rebels launch ballistic missiles and drones towards Israel. In a shocking turn of events, the Houthi rebel group has launched a series of ballistic missiles towards Israel. This escalation has sent shockwaves across the international community. Exclusive footage obtained by YZee News captures the intensity of the attack. The video showcases multiple ballistic missiles being launched towards Israel, underscoring the gravity of the situation. World leaders and security experts are closely monitoring the situation as it continues to unfold. Geopolitical tensions have reached a critical juncture. Security experts are analyzing the footage to determine the exact nature and origin of the weaponry used in the attack. Expert analysis and reactions from global leaders will be featured prominently, offering insight into the geopolitical ramifications of this unprecedented event. The international community is urging restraint and diplomacy, emphasizing the importance of dialogue to resolve conflicts peacefully. Diplomatic efforts are underway to de-escalate the crisis. YZee News remains committed to providing up-to-the-minute coverage on this developing story. As tensions continue to rise, the world watches with bated breath, hoping for a swift resolution that avoids further violence and instability in the already volatile region. Stay informed with YZee News.